Hello, my fantastic fourth graders. It is Tuesday and we are getting ready for a day of learning. I hope you are doing well. I look forward to Zooming with you today at 1 o'clock, so be there. And I look forward to hearing how you're doing and what's new and all the things. We're looking at our day's assignments for today. We're going to start out with math, lesson 101. And on this lesson, you're going to be talking about tables and schedules. The lesson will start on page 641, so you want to go on and get your book out. I did find a teacher that has done this lesson, and so I will be shooting that video to you today so you can watch someone else teach your math. Okay, we're going to have Shirley English. You had a page yesterday, and today we are going to be doing some writing, some descriptive writing. And your story that you're going to be using is called A Stormy Night. It's your descriptive paragraph. We are actually going to be writing this paragraph in third person. A lot of times we use first, but this time we're going to shift gears to third person. And in third person, I want you to use these words: he, his, him; she, her, hers; it, its; they, their, theirs, and them. Okay? And I'll have those typed out on Remind for you today, but I want you to write this paragraph in third person. Remember to go back to the form. If you need to go back to one of the first 1 or 2 videos on the YouTube channel, it teaches you how to write a descriptive paragraph. So make sure you're following the form correctly. Also, we added a new word yesterday, and the word was hesitate, if you remember. And so I just want to go through a couple of our vocab. We'll start at mature, and we'll go on through our vocab, and then we're going to talk about what you have for the rest of the day. But let's start with mature. So if you grab your English folder really quick, get your hands free. You can go to a previous video to do all the words up until this point, but we're going to go on and start on mature for sake of time. So here we go. Starting on mature, fully grown. 1, 2, ready, go. Mature, fully grown, verdict, verdict. Decision of a jury in a trial, hazard, hazard. A source of danger, abundance. A large quantity, evidence. An outward sign showing truth, authority. Power to make decisions, positive, certain. Indecision, unable to choose. Hello, Mr. Brown. How are you today?
Doing great.
Yeah, I was digging the hairdo. I like it. We should have crazy hair day today. I mean, we would fit right in with you.
I feel like I should teach the class.
This is not April Fool's Day.
Oh, okay.
Let's go back to indecision. Indecision, unable to choose, and hesitate. Hesitate, to wait or stop a moment. Again, hesitate, to wait or stop a moment. Very good. Okay, so for Shirley English, you're doing that descriptive right today. And in our spelling lessons this week, on Unit 29, we are doing calendar words, okay? And so you're learning how to spell all those months of the year, days of the week, words correctly. We are doing page 192. Make sure you're being really careful with your spelling and make it the best handwriting of your life. Okay. And then lastly, vocab. We are starting a new unit today, Unit 16. I think there's only 18 units in this book. We have almost arrived. Vocab is almost done. And so we're going to be on page 160 today, listening to the story The Last Day of Pompeii. Okay, this is a historical nonfiction story, and I want you to go on and get on that Sadler Vocabulary Workshop site where you can actually listen to the audio of this story, and I want you to listen to the first 5 words. Let them introduce those words, your vocab definitions, and we're going to do a fun activity with those first 5 tomorrow. So That is your day in a nutshell, except for reading. Oh yes, love that dog. I'm going to start reading on page 30 in just a moment. You can click on the next video and listen to Mrs. Brown read to you page 30, I think to 60. And so we're going to be reading that next section and have a page. Let me see. We're going to have 2 pages today, 9 and 10, and continue writing those Soon Came poems. I heard a couple of you read to me, you shot me one of your favorite poems that you wrote. It was so much fun listening. Feel free to video you reading any of the poems that you are writing right now. I love it. So you can shoot those to me today, and I'd enjoy that. We're going to Zoom at 1 o'clock. I will see you soon. Make it a great Tuesday.